चंदा में तुम ही तो भरे हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम ही तो दिए हो सितारे भगवन, ये जीवन तुम ही न संवारोगे तो क्या कोई संवारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी, तुम ही हमका हो संभाले, तुम ही हमरे रखवाले, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नारी।
Eternal God, Creator of all, we adore and praise you. Give us your wisdom that we may study well, obey our teachers and parents, and be honest in our behavior. Keep us in your loving care and help us to love and serve our brothers and sisters. Teach us to be good always and do good to others and become a faithful citizens of our motherland.
Respected parents and my dear loving children, happy morning and have a wonderful day. Today's thought again is on the value of obedience to the parents. I would add a small story. In a sea, there are a lot of fish, and a particular family of fish, starfish, lived. The mother and father and plenty of children, innumerable, and they enjoyed being in the sea, and it is really wonderful, and they always accompanied the father and mother. One of the little starfish developed a curiosity, a doubt, and started asking mother, "Mama, tell me, where is sea? I want to see sea," because he has heard it from his friends. There is something called sea which is full of water. Okay? And then the mama laughed and said, "Beta, this is the sea that we are in now." But he could not believe. He said, "It's only a place where some water is there. But sea, it seems his friends have told him, the sea is greater than this." So he went on asking his other friends and other group of fish, different species of fish in the sea, whomever he met in the sea, asking, "Can you help me?" They said, "Yes." "Can you show me the sea?" Most of them who heard this question laughed at him because they knew that they were already in the sea, and few ventured to tell him that, "My dear child, this is the sea." But he could not accept that. He believed, he was thinking that sea is elsewhere and it is bigger than this where we are living in, and it is much more beautiful than that. But his mother has said, "Beta, we are in the sea And in sea, there are sharks. Shark is a bigger fish with big mouth, with full of sharp teeth. And this shark is enemy of starfish, because the big sharks keep the mouth opened, and the starfish unknowingly they go in groups, swarm of fish, no, they go and then they flow into the mouth of shark. Shark closes the mouth, all of them die. Therefore they are very much afraid of shark. So this, the mother fish had warned all the little ones. However it be, this little fish was trying to find out where is the sea, asking so many people, went away from that group and the family, searching for the sea, asking so many people, went away and all that from the family, searching for the sea. Then one fine moment, he could feel the water flowing so heavily, and after few seconds, you could feel that he could not move. So he has already flown into the mouth of a shark. And then he realized, yes, mother said that in the sea there are sharks. That means this is the sea where I am living in, and I have lost, and of course it is a sea, but then I have lost into the mouth of shark. And he died there. My dear children of God, therefore I want to remind you, listen to the words of the parents. Accept them as Vedas, word of God. Parents, mother and father and your good teachers can never tell you lies, and they will not mislead you, and they will lead you to greater knowledge, right understanding and the right path to make you grow and glow as a children of God, shining in your family, shining in your school, shining in your village, and make you good citizens of this country. Thank you and God bless you.